everyone, I'm doing the photo shoot for the dress today, the VHS dress. So as you can see, we have a lot of stuff happening. Right behind me, we have the model getting ready. We're gonna do a crisp look to her. And who are you? Tell me your name.
Hey, I'm Melissa.
And you are?
Hey, I'm Nicole, doing makeup today.
And what type of look are you doing, Nicole?
We're doing a very vintage look, nice and sharp, clean skin.
So we keep a lot of natural look.
Very natural.
Yeah.
Model has beautiful features.
Yeah. And then over here we have somebody who does the styling. And who this person?
Sonia.
Sonia. Look at all this goodie stuff she bought. And we're gonna do some stuff with it. We're not sure how we're gonna put it all together. And this is the set. We're going on the set. So this is where all the magic happened. And then we have two photographers. Who is this person? What he doing? What he looking at the camera? Who are you?
Oh my god, are you? Hello? I didn't know I was being recorded. I gotta be ready.
What's your name?
My name's Chris Corridor.
Yeah, so he's
I'm
been
the
doing the
photographer
shoot today.
Yeah, that's me. See?
Yeah.
Hi there, I'm Blaze.
Yep.
Chris's twin today, as you can see.
Yep.
I'll be assisting him.
Awesome.
Behind the scenes.